doing so much. Especially you, Josh.
Thanks, buddy. I have to say, guys, I can't believe that you guys have nowhere else to crash besides my place on Christmas Eve.
You're so nuts.
Where am I supposed to be? With my family? I think selling a movie like Passengers is slightly more important.
Exactly. Plus, I have no friends because I steal money.
Has anyone seen my wallet, by the way? Is that...
What were you saying, Josh, about Christmas?
Well, what I was gonna say, actually, is, truth be told, I've never celebrated Christmas.
What?
Oh my God, you are so lucky. We are Christmas experts.
Yeah, we're gonna have to change that. We know everything about Christmas. I've seen the movie Elf 15 times.
I am an elf. I got the ancestry test done.
Well, what's the history of Christmas? I don't even know, like, what the history of Christmas even means.
I didn't know we were gonna get into all of this tonight.
Oh, so I didn't...
But traditionally, every Christmas morning, there's something called the reaping. And 2 tributes are taken from each district.
No, I think you're confusing that.
I don't think I am.
Oh, yeah, I know what you're saying. She's giving you the commercial version. The real meaning of Christmas. It's about a miraculous little boy named Kevin McAllister.
Amen.
Who learns to survive in the big city with only the help
Of a crazy old lady with pigeons.
No. You guys are definitely describing the plot of Home Alone 2. That's not a Christmas story. It was set during Christmas, but it's not.
Are you calling us liars?
No.
Because this is...
We should sing a Christmas song.
That would be fun.
It's almost
That's a good
midnight.
idea.
How about like Frosty the Snowman or Silent Night?
Is that Drake?
What?
I don't listen to hip hop.
Okay, what about a Christmas wish? It's my favorite one.
Now this is classic Christmas.
I've never heard a Christmas wish. Are there any words besides Christmas in the song?
Well, when we get to the 14th verse, I've been toying around with some stuff about the demons, but
Okay.
we'll get there.
How about we maybe turn in and, you know, call it a night?
Like, turn inside out?
No, I just go to sleep.
Their guts on the outside?
Oh my God. I'm gonna go to bed. Guys, look who it is.
The f?
Holy sh! Who the f is that?
He looks like President Snow, but more evil.
He looks like Nick Offerman, but redder.
Use Josh as a shield. I'll call 911.
God, don't you recognize him? Look!
I recognize a thief when I see one.
That belly's bulletproof, motherfucker. You're about to get it.
No!
Okay, help me find his wallet. We can split it 3 ways.
Dude,
What did you guys just do?
we just saved Christmas.
Yeah.
You're welcome. Is that Tim Allen?
Oh.